This is the story of our third birth here at the Elephant Safari Park of a little baby girl that we named Risky. This is Nikki, our third expectant mother this year at the Elephant Safari Park. We've been waiting now quite a few weeks for her to get round to giving birth, and it looks like tonight's the night. The back of her is now swelling up as the baby is moving into the delivery area, and we can just see the start of the embryonic sac appearing. Nikki's very calm, doesn't seem to be in any distress whatsoever. She seems to know exactly what's going on. Here we can start to see the main part of the embryonic sac appearing. She's bearing down to try and help it along its way. Yes, it's really starting to come out now. Nikki's just getting herself comfortable. The sac is mostly filled with fluid at the moment. This is purely like a bag of fluid, but here's the baby starting to appear. We can see the hind legs and the tail. Squeezing down, here it comes. And wow, that was very quick. The baby's hit the floor and at this stage isn't moving. Incredible. Nikki very delicately steps over the baby there. She's just looking at the baby and checking it out. At this stage, the baby appears to be absolutely lifeless. It's not breathing. She's very worried. And here's where nature is going to take its course. What is she going to do? She's kicking it, which would probably be the equivalent to a human slap on a baby's bum. She's very desperate to get it to move, to breathe, to get it to come to life. We've decided to leave her, to let her sort this out for herself, because she seems to know what she's doing. The baby is still as yet not breathing. Trying to put its head up. And there we have it, the first breath from the baby, gasping for air. It's just over 2 minutes since the birth. Quite amazing. She seems quite happy with herself now. Nikki is now checking her out to make sure everything's there. Now Nikki wants her on her feet. She knows that in the wild there will be predators around. It's very important for her to be up on her feet and standing. As soon as she can stand, as soon as she's safe. The baby's staggering, trying desperately to stand up in this slippery condition she's standing in, but she's up, she's finally up. Now standing, staring out into this new world. And here they are, the first few tentative steps. Shaky, but walking. And Nikki walking with them. All 3 elephants have had their babies within minutes, very fast, no fuss, no bother, no screaming. Very, very simple. I think elephants know what they're doing and they don't really need a lot of help from us. So that was the 3rd birth here of the elephant safari park this year, and certainly the most dramatic because it's the only one that we've actually caught on film. And after watching that, I can say that raising elephants can certainly be a risky business.